That's Have you ever found yourself struggling against those Muay Thai low kicks? We're going to help you solve that problem. You're going to learn how to block the kicks properly, and you're going to learn some counterattacks against those low kicks. And stick around to the end, because we're going to teach you some strategies that you can implement when you go against those guys with those heavy low kicks. Here we go. When learning to block the Muay Thai low kicks, the most important thing that you can do is have a proper stance. When we say the proverbial line, it should be in the middle of you. This is what I mean. Right now it's in the middle of me. Now it's not in the middle of me. So that's going to make it harder to block. This was my opponent, and I'm standing just like this. If he would have low kicked me, bam, that's what's going to happen. You can't block it that way. We put this line in the middle of us, and I don't have my foot straight. That's another essential point. Do not have the foot straight, because it kind of works the same way. Even though the line is in the middle, he kick, I block, wham, and that's going to be swolled up. Not good. Line in the middle, foot straight, and open it up just a tad bit. That way, that makes the block that much easier and that much faster. So when they kick, bam. When you're blocking the low kick, it's important to not only lift the leg, but bend the leg. This is what I mean. The line is in the middle, the foot's open just a little bit. Not only am I lifting, but I'm bending. Kick, bam. Again, kick, bam. Ooh, wee, publicity. Where do you put the weight? The weight goes on the back leg when you block the low kick. Right now, the weight is in the middle. Right now, the weight is on the front. The weight is on the back now. Foot flat, back. Leg kick, bam. Again, up, bam. Easy, lift and bend. One more time, bam. How to block the inside low kick. It's very simple. You turn the knee inside. This shot can be very painful. It adds up. Somebody just tattooing the leg, ooh. It's going to hurt. To stop that, simply bend the leg on the inside. This is the middle line. The weight goes on the back foot. He low kick, bam. That's how you do it. One more time. Pop, 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 bam. Right there. The rear leg block. Instead of putting the weight on the back leg, you're going to put the weight on the front leg. Bam, bam. That's it. The leg goes straight up. It's very important not to have the back foot straight. Low kick the back leg, it's not going to work. 45 degrees, he kicked the back leg. Bam. Ooh, careful. Bam, just like that. Another effective way that you can block the rear low kick is to cross block. See, leg kick on the back, boom, just like that. Let's run through all three of them again. Low kick, inside, block. That's how you do it. Rear kick, pop. Good. With the hands, the key is to keep the guard tight, your chin down, one bodyguard, two bodyguards. Don't let them crowd you too much. And you have to kind of guess when they're going to throw it. When I say guess, I mean I have to think ahead. He punched, he low kick. Okay, he did that 2 times. Now I have to be a little bit smarter than him, and you have to start guessing, meaning you start lifting the leg up to kind of meet them with that timing. This is what I mean. So you pop, pop, up, boom. Lift, lift, lift. I'm looking, bop. Again, you see I'm lifting, bop. I'm blocking everything, but I'm lifting at the same time. Then I block his low kick. That's how you do it. We've just taught you how to do the basic Muay Thai low kick block based off how do you stand, where you should put the weight, how high you lift the leg, how to think ahead when they're throwing those leg kicks. Now we're going to give you some counterattacks. You have to attack after they do those low kicks, or they're just going to keep throwing them. We want to make them think. My favorite counterattack to that low kick, when they're orthodox of course, is to do the left kick. It gives you a lot of room, it's high scoring, and it also leaves you in a safe area after you land that left kick. First counterattack, block the low kick, left kick. That's what you're going to do. Here we go. Bam, bam, boom. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. Bam, bam. Sometimes you kick high, sometimes you kick across the body. When you kick across the body, it's going to get them backwards. That's going to make that space. That's all you need. It's a little bit of time. So he wham, wham, wham. He low kick, boom, wham, right there across the body. He low kick, boom, boom. That's it. Technique number 2, block the low kick to knee, right or left, whatever you feel comfortable with. Here we go. I'm going to have my strong guard because you don't want to be too relaxed when they're punching. Chin down in my house. One bodyguard, two bodyguard. Here, he punch, low kick. Bro, you see, I'm boom, protect him, boom. As soon as he stops, I'm in range. Long knee. Knee. Again. Pop, 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 long knee. Knee. As soon as they throw that kick, knee, you'll hit something. Just throw it straight. Pop, 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 little lift. I can do left knee or right knee right now because he's still in the range. I go left knee. Knee, this to get them backwards. Half shin, half knee. That's really gonna push them back. Knee is good, the stab knee, but I prefer the half shin, half knee. You slide open, bop, use the half of your shin, half of your knee, and push with the waist. Pop, 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 and then pop from there. Knee, ooh, chocolate cake. Let's go to them in regular motion. Not bad. And then there we go. Very good. The third technique that you're going to use against those low kicks after you block is to let those hands go. 9 times out of 10, the person is in a good close range when they throw that low kick. After you block, I want you to throw the combination. A straight shot to a body shot, a jab cross, a 2-3. I want you to let 2 shots go after you block the low kick. Bang, bang, low kick, bang, bang, low kick, bang, bang. That's it. Pop, 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 there we go, bang, bang. You gotta let them go quick, and then they'll be a little bit tentative about throwing that low kick. But you have to block it. This is after you block the low kick. So you're not taking the low kick just to get the punches. No, you're gonna block, bang, bang. Wouldn't that make you a little bit tentative about throwing low kicks? Yes. Me too. If every time I low kick, he not only blocks it, hurting my shin, he punches me in the face, thing. Or he knees me, or he switch kicks me. That's going to make them think. So you can break somebody's confidence with defense. Here we go. So, bang, 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 boom, boom. There you go. Bang, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Very nice. Mr. Two-Piece.
Nice guy.
Yeah, Mr. Two-Piece. We taught you the proper stance to block the low kicks. You learned the proper way to block the low kicks with weight distribution, and how to lift the leg to block, how to block the rear, how to block the inside. You learned counterattacks. Now we're going to give you a strategy that you can use to defeat a person that mainly focuses on low kicks. Here we go. You low kick, I'm a low kick back. That's number 1. Don't play their game. Number 2, don't show pain. Don't show hurt. Low kick, and what are you going to do again? They're not going to feel sorry for you. They know, I low kicked him. It's going to hurt. So now they're going to be chasing that the whole time. In Muay Thai is paramount to have a strong poker face. So even if they land a low kick, boom. Let them know, okay, don't mind, it don't matter. And then, hey, bang, good. Let them know it doesn't hurt. Even though internally you could be screaming. But outside, don't show it at all. That's number 2. Number 3, close the distance on the low kick. Yeah, bang, he low kick, bam, he landed that. He do it again. See, I'm not going to stay out here. That's giving him the advantage. This is a strategy to close the distance. He bang, bang, low kick, pop. If I can't block it, knee. I don't stay out here though, waiting for him to do it again. I press forward again. Boom. You see, that's what happens. I'm pressing. Press. Bang, bang, good. Bang, good. Bang. There we go. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, good. Knee. Walk forward. Jab, jab. Knee. Jab, jab. Knee. Left. Bang, bang. Close the distance. Be aggressive. Attack them. That's if they're landing the low kick. But we've been teaching you how to block the low kick. In that case, you don't have to rush. If somebody lands a couple of low kicks on me, let's say you low kick, boom, low kick again, okay. I'm gonna say to myself, which I want you to say to yourself, I need to protect this leg. What I do, I open up the leg, make it even more extreme. Normally, I'm right here. But if somebody land a couple of leg kicks, I'll really open it up more so that way I can prepare and block it much more easy. See? Boom, it's there now. And this is where you learn how to attack from this stance. It's there, pop, you see, pop, bam. Easy, fake, move, bam. I'm attacking straight from here. Whatever you want to do. Pop, pop, boom, boom. Learn how to attack from this open guard if they're focused primarily on that leg. That's if you block it. If you don't block it and they land it and it starts to hurt a little bit, you have to close the distance and be aggressive, just like we showed you. Walk forward with the punches, walk forward with the long knee style, walk forward with the clinching. Because think, if I grab you, you can't punch, you can't kick. And that's where the clinch comes in. But we'll get to that in the next video. That's a quick snippet of the full version that's now on the KMA Online Muay Thai Drills and Workouts program. All you have to do is click the link in the description and the pinned comments and get registered for 4 tiers of authentic Muay Thai. Also, hit that shop link if you want to get you some KMA merchandise and Muay Thai training gear. Get dripped out with us because it's real fly, no cap. For more tutorials on our YouTube channel, all you have to do is click this video right here. We know that you're going to enjoy it.